Engineering Night at Howard Community College gives students the opportunity to show off the projects they've been working on all semester. One team of students worked on a project for the Volunteers for Medical Engineering.
Our project is for VME, who works with disabled people and disabled children, and what they were in need of was a remote braking system so that the caregivers could stop the bicycles without the children or the person getting too far away from them in case there was a dangerous scenario.
So we researched with VME what kind of bikes they used, and very often they use these bikes with the straight rods. And so we decided to go with a design that attaches to one of the most universal parts, which is this rod above the wheel. And we use this saddle's shape so that we could bend the enclosure to fit any kind of angle from this vertical rod here.
The event is sponsored by Baltimore Gas and Electric. Danielle Smith, a BGE project manager and an engineer herself, enjoys discussing lessons learned with the students and exploring what they would do to improve their projects next time.
HCC offers a lot of good programs, so it's very important that as a company we invest in students so that they also have an opportunity to grow and to thrive, and then we want to bring that talent to our organization so that we then can provide better service to our customer base.
Students are given many project challenges, like figuring out how to pick up a 20-pound pumpkin with only 5 pounds of force.
So our original design was to have a pulley reduction so that we can get 20 pounds down to less than 5 pounds easily. But the pulleys had so much friction within them and so much weight from the load that it actually made it worse, where in order to pick up just 1 pound, it took us about 20 or 30 pounds to lift that. So we were kind of going the wrong direction there. So we ended up having to change that design.
Another team of students built a 3D printer capable of printing large objects.
So this is a hang printer, which is a kind of 3D printer that's designed to have a flexible build volume. So basically the way it works is you can anchor it kind of wherever you want. Ideally we could even anchor it from the ceiling in here, and its build volume is only constrained by how tall and how wide we place its anchors. For us it was trying to figure out on the fly, how do I understand what G-code is while also figuring out how to wire something safely while not setting things on fire with a 12-volt power supply, and kind of making all of it come together while not quite understanding all of the components we were working with, and so kind of learning while we were doing.
I think the Howard Community College is doing a great job with their students. I think you guys have an awesome program here, and we're just hoping to be able to continue to partner.